Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add column on Scrum board in Jira. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Jira and then just click here on board. And when you're gonna be in board, you're gonna see like your sprint here or whatever. So now what you want to do is simply click here on create a column. Now we just add your column name. Okay. And we got it. And what you can do is simply move it there. So this is how we do it. And yep, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye.